Do you know that lifting weights, especially during midlife, is extremely important for women? And yes, I love working out with dumbbells. However, there's other alternatives out there that I also choose to work out with to work out my muscles. Like my camera equipment is one thing. It's not very light. However, this is why, one of the reasons why I love doing yard work, because it kind of gives me that variety in my workout. For instance, this right here, this Ego battery, a 56-volt battery. You know, I've been talking about my Ego Weed Wacker string trimmer that I love so much, but this in itself weighs about 7.7 pounds according to the website, the Ego website. And so when attached to this baby right here, which is, I don't know how heavy this thing is, but you can see, you put these two together and then you're moving around with it, balancing it out there in the yard, and it becomes a massive workout, right? So that's what I'm going to be doing again today, is doing a yard workout. Believe it or not, it's like 5 something, and I'm already at 10,000 steps. So I'm going to just kind of throw on some super sauce by working out in the mala. And so that's my workout for today. I just wanted to share with you the different ways that you can build your muscle. It doesn't necessarily need to be with these awesome toys, but get creative. I mean, I've used like jugs of water, sometimes soup cans, anything I can do to work my muscles. Like I have these containers here. I have 2 of these things. Sometimes I'll just be doing this right when I'm standing here getting my workout stuff, my yard work things together. So get creative. And I bet you're creative. You're a Gen Xer, so you must be creative. I'd love to know what alternatives you do or use for building your muscles. Remember, ladies, we need to continue to keep our muscles strong, because that also helps us to burn fat. I better get out there and get my movement on, and I'm looking forward to your comments below to hear what it is that, or not here, but to see what it is that you do to build muscle. Have a great workout and make sure to be your radiant selves. Looking forward to staying in touch and also sharing with you later my final Fitbit numbers, which may come in a little early, as I think I want to post the video a little earlier today since I've already hit 10K. Right, a hui ho for now.